Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a everyday makeup routine for you guys, and I'm really excited about this video because I have been loving this makeup routine. It's definitely a lot different from my previous routines. It's got more of a glow and more of a radiance to it, and it's super quick and easy and very minimal. And I'm really excited because there is a new product that I have been trying out for about 2 weeks now, and that is the Merit Great Skin product. Thank you so much to Merit for sending me this product and collaborating with me on today's video. They kindly sent this to me and I've been trying it out in my everyday routine and I am in love, you guys. So I'm really excited to share my thoughts on this product and share some kind of details about it and what it's great for, as well as sharing my everyday routine, glowy routine with you guys with this beautiful product right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing that and learning more about Great Skin by Merit, then make sure to keep on watching. So before I jump in and show you guys how I created this current makeup look that I'm wearing right now, I want to tell you guys a little bit about this guy. So this is a biphase facial serum. This is very lightweight and this is great for hydration and plumping the face. There are 3 main ingredients in here that I want to highlight with you guys that I think are absolutely fabulous for your skin. The first one is hyaluronic acid, which is great for moisture. Hyaluronic acid is something that I use on the regular. I like to use the ordinary one, and I'm so happy to know that it's in here as well, so I kind of get that extra hydration, especially with winter coming. I definitely need that. So the next highlighted ingredient that I want to share with you guys is niacinamide. Now niacinamide is great for adding nice brightness to the skin and helping to target any texture. So I use the ordinary niacinamide every day, twice a day, and it really helps me with my pores that I have on my T-zone. So I'm really happy to know that it's in here as well because I kind of get that double action with my skincare routine and then also this product when I do my makeup or if I want to end off my routine with this. So the third highlighted ingredient that I wanted to share with you guys is cacao seed extract. Now this is a caffeine-rich antioxidant, which is great for plumping the face, and I absolutely love that. It's really, really amazing. It's so unique. I've never had a skincare product with that, so I've definitely been enjoying it. So I'm gonna start off by adding some primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit. So next up, I'll be jumping into the Great Skin product. Now, I love this stuff for both days, on days where I'm wearing makeup and on days where I'm not, because this is usually the kind of final step in my skincare routine for a no makeup day. And when it's a makeup day, it's one of the first things that I do. So today we're wearing makeup because I'm going to be going out and running some errands with the hubby. So I'm gonna go in with this first. So you can see that the product is separated, so you do want to give it a nice little quick shake. You can also just kind of turn it over. So you can see that you just go ahead in and pump out the product. Now I personally only use 1 pump of product. I do have oily to combo skin, especially my T-zone is quite oily, so I find 1 pump is more than enough for me. If you do have drier skin, maybe you'll need 2, but I find 1 is more than enough. So I like to just take it on my hand, rub it around, and then just go in and apply it. You can see that I'm starting to get such a nice kind of glow to the face, but it doesn't look greasy. It's like that perfect glow. And then as I move my face, you can see that shine. I'm obsessed. So next up, I'm going to go in and do my everyday routine. So I'm jumping into some color corrector, just a little bit. I don't typically use that much on the daily, but I just want to put a tiny bit because I feel like my under eyes are a little bad today, but that's okay. So next I'll be jumping into another Merit product that I absolutely adore, and this is their Minimalist. This is like a complexion stick. It can be used as foundation, concealer, or just correcting. It is amazing. I'm in the shade Sand. So I'm just gonna take some of this and go over top of where I applied some color corrector and just a little there and down the nose. Another thing that I love about Great Skin is that it just makes all the products on your face melt and come together. Like, it just helps with blending and everything just becomes one a lot more quickly. So I definitely enjoy that aspect of the product. I'm just gonna take a little more of the Minimalist and I'm just going to cover up some of my cheeks because I do have some acne scarring, just a little on the chin, and I'm gonna get the sides of my nose just for some redness. It is a very sunny day, so I do apologize if the lighting is going in and out. I am sitting by a window, so please bear with me. So a little really goes a long way with the Minimalist by Merit. So this is basically what I do for my base. Next up, I want to go in with some blush, and I'll be using the Wander Beauty On The Glow blush and illuminator. I recently got this in a boxy charm and I have been loving it. It's so quick and easy and it looks so beautiful and glowy. Just gonna go directly in with the stick. So the color that I have in this product is the shade Bare for the blush, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna put a little bit on the nose and a little bit on the chin. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend it out. And again, this blush is blending in so effortlessly, especially because of the base that I have. Once again, I feel like this is giving a really nice glass-like makeup look. Everything is so glassy and glowy. I absolutely love this. I do wanna take just a little bit more blush. I'm gonna tap, tap, tap. I do like a nice bold blush. You guys know that about me. And I'm just gonna blend that out. So next up, I'm just taking the highlight and I'm just gonna go directly on there. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. And I'm gonna go just a little down the nose and going back in with the beauty blender. All right, so everything is on. I need to set everything in place, and lately I have been loving the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder to kind of set my face in place, and I use the shade Pound Cake, so I'm gonna go ahead in and set my face. So next up, I want to just fill in my brows a little bit, and I'm using the Gimme Brow by Benefit. It's just a brow gel. I love this stuff. I'll literally just brush through my brows and my brows will be done within seconds. So for every day, I usually won't do anything with my eyes other than go in with just a little bit of mascara, and lately I've been loving the Stack Mascara, so I'm gonna go ahead in and apply some. All right, so lastly, I'm just going to do my lips. I'm starting off by lining them with the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade BFF4. So for lipstick, I wanna go in with one of my current favorites that I've been using all the time, and it has been part of my everyday routine. That is the Charlotte Tilbury matte lipstick in the shade Wedding Bells. One of my best friends got this for me. Larissa, thank you so much. This shade is beautiful and it's definitely me. This was part of a bridal shower gift that she got for me, and I just absolutely love it. I used it for my wedding reception. It was just incredible. It's a beautiful color. So let me go ahead and put this on. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for my current everyday makeup routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Now if you guys are interested in trying out the Merit Great Skin product or any of their other products such as the Minimalist, then make sure to check for the link down below in the description box. I will leave it there for you guys. Everything that I used in today's video will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys have any suggestions on videos you would like to see from me, then make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely try and follow up on those. If you guys are interested in knowing what other Merit products are out there, I will leave a playlist down below and also up here for you guys. I did do a couple of videos with them in the past, and I shared all of their products with you guys and shared my honest thoughts. So if you're interested, make sure you guys check those out. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.